So what are you going to do with that degree? This is a series where I tell you exactly what you can do with every engineering degree, and today we're talking about civil engineering. The first industry is the construction industry. You could work across a variety of roles in this industry. You could be a structural engineer who oversees the building's structural integrity, or you could be a construction manager who oversees project timelines and budgets, or you could be a geotechnical engineer who analyzes soil and foundation conditions before any construction begins. And you could work for companies like Whiting Turner or Clark Construction. The next industry is the transportation industry. Civil engineers here are responsible for designing and maintaining the highways, bridges, airports, and public transportation systems that we use every day. This involves engineers analyzing and optimizing how people move through any given city. And you could work for companies like the Department of Transportation or the Federal Highway Administration. The next industry is the environmental industry. Civil engineers in this field are responsible for protecting public health and natural resources. So, from designing clean water systems to waste management infrastructure and pollution remediation programs, these engineers are so important and they can work for organizations like American Water Works or the EPA. The next industry is the energies and utilities industry. These engineers design the structures that allow the electricity to get from the power plants to our homes. And think of these structures need to withstand extreme conditions so that we can have electricity when we need it the most. So companies who are employing in this space are PG&E, National Grid, and Duke Energy. Overall, I think civil engineering is a great degree. It has one of the lowest unemployment rates out of all engineering majors. And in a world where everyone is worried about AI, I think civil engineers are in a relatively safe position. So you should definitely check this major out.